Is your Toyota Camry's alarm going off randomly? The most frequent culprits are faulty hood or door switches, a weak key fob battery, or occasional system glitches. Start by checking the hood and door switches for corrosion, misalignment, or wiring shorts. These sensors can trigger false alarms if they're not functioning correctly. Next, replace the key fob battery, typically a CR2032, if it's been a while. A weak battery can cause the system to fail to authenticate the fob, leading to intermittent alarm activations. You can try to troubleshoot by resetting the system, cycling the vehicle's electrical system, or using a specific sequence like locking, unlocking doors with the fob to clear error codes. If problems persist, use an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes like B2271, alarm module malfunction. Many Camry owners successfully resolve alarm issues with DIY fixes, like lubricating a corroded hood switch or replacing the fob battery. However, resets are often temporary solutions. For persistent problems, a professional diagnosis is recommended to inspect the underlying wiring and potentially replace components like the body control module, BCM. Dealership visits can cost $150 to $300, so weigh that against the DIY approach. Looking ahead, hybrid and electric Camry models show a reduced rate of false alarms due to better system integration. Future Camrys may adopt AI-driven diagnostics and user-friendly apps for remote alarm resets, potentially reducing the need for DIY repairs. Regularly cleaning switches and checking replacing fob batteries can help prevent future issues.